There are over 25,000 advertisers on this very platform, but as it stands now, many beginners affiliate marketers are actually getting it wrong when it comes to promoting Awin. Right, so the first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create and set up your Awin affiliate account, okay? And secondly, which is the step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually find and apply to the best affiliate program right now. And the third strategy, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually generate your affiliate link. The first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually place affiliate link correctly in your content without violating any platform policy. All right, if I were you, I will not miss out any session of this very video. Without further ado, let's get into it right away. The first you need to do is simply head over to your browser and you search for minjohnfrancis.com. all right, you go to the search section from here and search for Awin. So on this very section, click on this section right here that allows you to create and approve account. Okay, add your details. All right, you can see that this is your account setup details. All right, you have to add your company name. Your company name could be your blog website, doesn't really matter. Okay, you have to simply get yourself a website, then use your website name on this very section. Okay, then tax residency, just add your country, then add your first name, your last name, your email address, the password. Make sure all of these details are correct. Okay, you click on this sign up button. If you have a website that has been fully developed for you, if my team have already developed a website and monetize it and deliver to you, you can actually use that and also get approval from this very platform. Okay, if advertisers find out that there's no website, there's no YouTube page linked to your account, especially a website, they might not actually approve you. Okay, the next you need to do is simply send it out. Then within 24 hours, Awin is going to simply review your account. And if your details are correct, if they check your website has a blog content there, they're going to simply approve you once you qualify and also you meet up to their criteria. Okay, so after everything, log into your account, click on these join programs. The first you need to do is to actually stick to your niche. Okay, so remember, the website you're using to promote each of these products should be in a particular niche. Okay, for instance, if you go to this particular website, you're going to see right here we have a lot of categories. We have education and learning, finance and investing, life updates, online and offline business, social media, digital marketing. We have tech tools, we have work and employment, and a lot more. Okay, I can basically promote any particular product under this particular niche. Okay, so that is what you have to simply do for yourself. Whatever thing you are promoting, you have it as a category on your website. Okay, once you're on this registration, the next you need to do is simply start joining the platform you want to join. Okay, but before you join, this is a secret that most beginners don't actually know, and they end up making mistakes, getting rejected each time they apply for a particular product they want to promote. Okay, and most of these brands want to actually see who you are and know you more, will know what you can actually do before they can actually give you approval. Before you start joining, the next you need to do is simply go to your profile and click on this overview. All right, this particular account is based on paddedvibe.com alone. Okay, so I have an account for other of my website in different niches. Okay, you can see right here I added just few description about my website and what I do, and they've been giving me approval. The website you can see here is basically paddedvibe.com. all right, so how do you now put your own detail on your profile? All you need to do is simply come to this very section. You can actually edit this and add whatever thing you want to add. Okay, so let's say I want to edit it and change it to some other stuff. All I need to do is simply copy what I've already written about my website, okay, and add it here. Okay, so after saving that, the next you need to do is simply click on this promotional space. Under the promotional space, you have to simply add the details of your website. Okay, so for instance, you can see right here, this is Padded Vibes I added here, and this is the link. If I click on this edit button, I can edit this and also add more other stuff I want to. So the first you need to do is simply add this and add this, and you are cool. Then after adding that, go back to your advertiser attention right now and you click on this join programs. Okay, so this is going to simply give room for advertisers to see who you are and what you can actually do for them. Okay, so all you need to do is simply pick the ones that are related to your website niche. Okay, for instance, the ones I've already joined right here are basically on my own website niche. Okay, for instance, this is Mozilla, so all you need to do is simply copy this. Okay, so remember, before you join any platform, copy the name of the platform and go to your browser, then search for it. Okay, if there are websites or maybe searches about it already, then you can actually go ahead and start promoting that. Okay, so for instance, if I search for this, you can see why we have Mozilla. We have Mozilla right here. If you scroll down right here, you're going to see what people are asking, website builder, reviews, and a lot more. Okay, so that means there are already audience waiting for you to come up with your own content. Okay, this is the commission rate right here, so I can actually go ahead and click on this promote button. Okay, this particular part normally confuses some beginners. Okay, but it is not really complicated. All you need to do is simply come to this very section. This section is where you can actually copy your affiliate link. Okay, so if you want to actually copy your affiliate link, all you need to do is simply click on this section that says join, select join. Okay, come over to this section right here, MO. All right, so you have to search for Mozilla. You can show you we have it right here. Select it. Once you select it, you just click on this generate affiliate link. Okay, so remember, there's no link, there's no HTML, there's no code. Okay, just come to this section, click on this generate link. Okay, you can see this is your affiliate link here, this is HTML here. Okay, this is the QR code. Okay, so which means people can actually generate QR code and scan it and also get your affiliate link right there. So come over to this section right here, you can actually add this one to your website. You can actually add it just like this one right here. Copy this link right here. First you need to do is to actually know if this particular link is working or not. Okay, go to your browser and paste the link, and this is it right here. Search for it. Okay, so this is going to simply take us to Major online store. After getting your affiliate link, what you need to do is simply come over to this video website right here. This is Graffiti, right? This particular platform is going to simply help you with your SEO optimized content, with your review posts. Okay, so all you need to do is simply click on this create an account button and you log into your account you've already created. Okay, so come to this section that says blog writer, add your blog title right here. Okay, so you can see that we have Mozilla review and Mozilla website builder. We got this particular title from the people also search section. Okay, this is where we got all of this stuff. Okay, so once you have this in place, the next thing you need to do is simply come over to this section right here, then select the language you want to use for this. Okay, then click on this. This is going to simply write the content fully for us. Okay, and the next you need to do after writing this content is to actually go through it and make sure you add your own words and also add your own editing and make sure that this is 100% human written. All right, click on this button right here, allow it to do the work. Every details have been provided. Okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and download these images straight to your desktop or your mobile phone. Okay, go ahead and copy this content, then go over to your website. On this section, click on this code section and paste this content as code, then come back here, copy the title, make sure you push this upward, right? Then come to this section, then add here. This is the content, and we're going to be adding our focus keyword. Our focus keyword should be at the tag section, then add this as tag. Then the next you have to do is simply go ahead and select your category from this very section. Let's say I want to go for tools and directories, then select set featured image, then select that particular image you've already downloaded. Add the alternate text with the same keyword you're targeting, then change the image title, then set featured image. It's going to be set here. Okay, add the same focus keyword here. Okay, you can see we've already achieved 79. Okay, so remember, this particular website is already monetized with ads. It has Astra ad, Montag ad, and also some Zoic and a lot more. Okay, you can see that is the first section of your monetization. So if my team have already built your website and monetize it, then your ad is already in place for you, giving you some benefit. All right, but this second one right here you're going to be doing right now is another level of monetization, which is affiliate monetization. Okay, you have to simply add your affiliate link where your visitors can actually see them. Let's go back to our Awin and copy this. Okay, then fall back to our website, then select where you want it to be, then you can select this and add it here. Okay, so let's say I want to add it to another place right here. Create your account, but just add it in 3 or 4 places. Okay, remember you have to simply edit this or add your own point of view, and also whatever things you have already researched about this very platform, add it as part of your content so that you actually maintain the EEAT standard which Google wants, and also your ad network wants. Okay, so come over to this section and click on the publish button, and this particular post is going to simply go live on your website. Okay, so you can see what we have here, Mozilla review 2026. Okay, so this is it right here, create your account section. If you click on this, after making your post, you have to actually do this for your website to be indexed on Google, Bing, and other platform. Okay, so go back to your post, copy the post URL just like this, and you have to simply tell Google that you've already published a new post on your website. Okay, so how do you do that? Go back to your search console, your Google search console. Okay, so click on this section that says URL inspection. When you click on this, then go ahead and paste the URL right here and click on the send button, and Google is going to simply start indexing this particular post. Okay, you can see right here the post is not really on Google yet, but we're going to simply make it be on Google. Click on this request indexing and give it a while to actually index. You can see right here it has been submitted for indexing. Just click on dismiss button, then click on this test live URL to be sure that this has been sent for indexing. Okay, you can see right here the URL is now available on Google. You can see right here we've already given this particular Google crawler more chance to actually index our website. Okay, so if you've not been doing this, start doing it now. If you want to get traffic to your website, you can do the same thing on Bing. If you don't know how to add your website on Search Console, just go ahead and watch this full 7 days course, and it's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually start your affiliate marketing with Awin and scale through. Remember, you don't just post once and relax. You have to simply go ahead and create different titles for a particular product and promote them. When you promote them on your website, index that particular post on Google Search Console and Bing, and make sure you add the same post on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and lot more to generate more traffic. And that's going to simply help you with your ad network that is already monetized with your website. So if my team have already delivered your website fully monetized and developed, they can actually use your website right now to apply for monetization on Awin. Okay, that's going to simply help you. Right, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. It's going to simply help us, give us the courage to keep making videos like this. Okay, and also don't forget to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.